This week has been so busy moving logs around and collecting sap, we forgot all about cleaning up the mill shed. So that's gonna be today's project. We gotta move all this lumber and sort it and stack it. We need to start milling again, and we can't have all this in the way. So what we're doing now is we are taking all the lumber from in the shed and we're going to load it onto the power trailer and take it over to where we have to stack it.
So we're loading by hand?
Yes.
Oh, I thought we was using the...
How are you going to reach in there and grab the lumber and put it on here without smashing it all?
Oh, darn.
So 2x2 will go on this side up here. Then we'll put 1x4 over there. Boards will put somehow in the middle here. We should sort. Now it's all live edge. Okay, take it.
1 by 1, or can I take all
Yeah,
three?
take 1 by 1. We'll try to just put it down in between them, like. That ain't much of a piece.
Oh my gosh.
Just watch out.
Yeah.
You should go on that end. I was gonna try to throw it. Is this stuff all gonna be sawed again? Maybe come up on the actual deck. Where are you going with that?
I'm trying to put it on...
Oh. Maybe come up here on the deck.
Can we work together instead of me having to adjust your throws?
Yeah, but you're still gonna have to adjust because I still gotta throw it.
Okay, try.
Well, isn't this just great? All this lumber in here, and now we gotta move these here big 6x6s. I thought I told you to move this stuff. My oh my.
Whoa. Move it.
You didn't need a stand.
You made that look like nothing.
Slide it over. More. There.
Okay, now we're picking up this one?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
I say
1, 2, 3.
put your end down. Well, that might have. I might have ruined it that I can't use it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it might be too short. There. Pass me the feed bags now. Oh. So much sawdust. I think these are 2x12s. the stair treads. They're not treads, but... We got the tractor all loaded up with the lumber. Now it's time to take it over and sort it. Now we have to unload all this lumber. What an absolute mess. So we got all the lumber stacked and piled, it's all cleaned up, and we got all the new lumber from the mill shed stacked and piled up too. So now we can start milling, and we won't be letting that happen again.
Drop it. Drop it. Ready? Are you ready? Yes? Right here.
This sawmill is my Woodland Mills 130 Max. It'll do a 30-inch diameter tree, and that's one of the reasons that I bought it. And the other reason that I bought it is it has a lap siding attachment. And lap siding is tapered siding, and that is what is on our mill shed here. And the way the lap siding attachment works is it tilts the saw head, so you make your square cant, and then when you get ready to do your siding, you just tilt the saw head up, and you make your cut, and then that gives you a tapered piece of siding. And then you lower it back down, and you make your other cut, and then you have two pieces of tapered siding. And this right here is a piece of tapered siding. It's narrower on the top and fatter on the bottom, and you use it to side buildings with. This right here is the handle for the lap siding attachment. And the way it works is, whenever you want to make your tapered piece, you pull it back and it tips the whole saw heads. One direction, you make your cut, and then that produces a piece of tapered siding. Then when you want to make your other piece, you push the handle ahead, it drops the saw down level again, and then you go and make your other cut. And when I bought this sawmill, I also got the optional power saw head with it. It just makes milling so much easier. Instead of having a hand crank here that you gotta crank your arm off all day long, I just go and push one way and it goes up, and then I push the button the other way and it goes down. And it all runs off of the battery that is for the electric start on the motor. So before we start milling, we have to put some gas in this. It's pretty good. And that's one log start to finish. And another thing that you always want to do when you're done with your mill, it doesn't matter what mill it is, you always want to relieve the tension on your blade, because it's not good to have tension on the blade all the time. There. Now we're all done for the day. So we should bag up all this nice dry sawdust and use it for animal bedding today. And we gotta take this down to bed the animals.
Okay, now, come on, honey. Look at me.
I am!
I couldn't.
We got a few logs done today. Thanks for watching our mill video, and we'll see you on the next one.